Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sanford Guide app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Sanford Guide is a clinical reference app focused on infectious diseases, antimicrobial therapy, HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis. It's widely used by healthcare professionals for its evidence-based guidelines and concise recommendations. The app includes dosage tables, pathogen-specific treatment advice, renal dosing adjustments, and integrated search tools to quickly access critical medical information. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate even under time pressure. Clinicians value how quickly they can find up-to-date treatment protocols. It's especially praised for its accuracy, reliability, and scope, covering a wide range of pathogens and drugs. Offline access is also a big plus, especially in hospital settings with poor connectivity. However, there are a few drawbacks. The app requires an annual subscription, which may be a barrier for students or casual users. Some users also mention that while the content is excellent, the app design feels outdated. A few minor bugs and slow search results have also been reported. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Sanford Guide is a valuable tool for healthcare professionals who need quick, reliable access to antimicrobial treatment guidelines. While the cost and dated UI may not appeal to everyone, the depth and precision of content make it worth considering for clinical use. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.